Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Suevs Haircare. Let me say a very big thank you to my 64 subscribers. I was so surprised when I saw that it's 64. I'm so happy that you guys are here with me. I love you guys and I appreciate you very much. Thanks for subscribing, for liking, and for sharing my video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a powerful all-natural fenugreek and blackseed hair oil, perfect for boosting growth, thickening your hair, and soothing your scalp. Now let's talk about what we're using, how we're using it, and its amazing benefits for our hair. Once again, we'll be grinding these herbs because, as I've said before, I enjoy infusing my oil when they're in their powdered form. So I'll be measuring out some fenugreek seed and then I'll be grinding it. And in the meantime, I will tell you about the benefits of fenugreek for our hair. Fenugreek seeds or powder is rich in proteins and nicotinic acids. It helps to prevent hair fall, strengthen hair follicles, and promote thicker hair. Blackseed, aka Nigella sativa, forgive me if I pronounce that wrong, known for centuries for its ability to stimulate hair growth, reduce thinning, and even soothe scalp inflammation because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory and also antifungal properties. A 2017 study indicated that an herbal hair oil containing Nigella sativa, blackseed, resulted in a reduction of hair fall. Research published in Treatment Rooms London suggests that blackseed oil can soothe scalp psoriasis. And this oil is not only good for your hair, it's also good for your skin. This is off topic, but when I get to 100 subscribers, I would like to do a giveaway of my products. So let me know in the comment section if you think that would be a good idea. Giveaway for 3 of my subscribers. I will leave my email so that you can contact me there and you can leave your name in the comment section and let me know if you're interested in the giveaway. So now that I'm done grinding my fenugreek seeds, I'm now measuring out my black seeds and I am also going to grind my black seed in the powdered form. Let me also know in the comment below if you have ever tried black seed, like in general. You can, because black seed is an all-round herb. You can use it in your hair, you can use it in your, like, eat it or drink it as a tea. I've tried black seed tea and I've enjoyed it. So let me know in the comment section below if you've ever had anything that has anything to do with black seed and did you enjoy it and was it successful or beneficial for you. Also, if you have watched this far into the video and you haven't subscribed as yet, I would appreciate it if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more videos like this in the future. And you can please like and share my videos to anyone who you think would be interested in watching this video. Now I'm just grinding the last bit of my black seed, and after I finish grinding this is in real time, like I'm grinding it here in real time. So if you find your fenugreek seeds and your black seed and you cannot find them in the powdered form, you can buy them whole, and if you have a grinder, you can just grind them in the powdered form. You can always find black seeds and fenugreek seeds in your Indian store. Sometimes I'm in Canada, so I can also find it in some grocery store. According to the grocery store that you go in, you'll find fenugreek seeds and black seeds there in the grocery store. So now that I'm finished grinding the fenugreek seed and the black seed, I am now mixing them around so that way they will infuse and blend in much better when I started putting the oils into the powders. I'm going to give it a good stir, make sure that they're all mixed together. As you can see here, they're all mixed together, and now I am going to start prepping my oil to add them into the powders. So first off, we're going to start with sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is lightweight and full of vitamin E. It adds shine, reduces breakage, and nourishes dry hair. It can help to hydrate dry hair due to its vitamin E and fatty acid content. Studies suggest that sunflower oil can improve scalp hydration, which is important for healthy hair growth. After this, we'll be using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is excellent for sealing in moisture and strengthening weak, brittle strand without being greasy. A 2023 study on HIMSS found that grapeseed oil is effective at adding shine to the hair and reducing frizz, potentially due to its lightweight nature and ability to smooth the hair cuticle. Some research also indicates that grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidant and fatty acid and might stimulate hair growth by moisturizing the scalp and reducing oxidative stress on the hair follicles, according to Pattern Beauty. Now that we're done measuring out the grapeseed and sunflower oil, we're adding it to our powders, and we're moving on to the avocado oil. Avocado oil contains vitamins, antioxidant, and fatty acid that can help protect hair from environmental damages and heat styling. Studies in the International Journal of Trigonology have shown that oil rich in non-saturated fats like avocado oil can improve the condition of the hair shaft, potentially reducing breakage and split ends. So now that we're done mixing the sunflower oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil into our fenugreek and blackseed powder, we're giving it a good stir too, so that we can make sure that all of the powders is blended into the oil. And now we're adding in some peppermint essential oils. You can add any essential oils of your choice, and now I'm adding in some lavender essential oil also. Peppermint essential oil stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging new growth and relieving itchiness. Lavender essential oil promotes hair growth, reduce dandruff, and soothe irritation. This oil is very lightweight, so any hair type can use this oil. I'm going to let this oil infuse for 6 weeks, and you can let this oil infuse by using sunlight. So I'm going to place it by the window and let it infuse for 6 weeks. This oil can be used 2 to 3 times per week as a hot oil treatment. You can also use it as a sealant after moisturizing your hair, and you can also use it as a poo-poo. So now I'm just going to cover it and let it infuse. So guys, this is the finished product, and it's also the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys.